In my hands, I have a carbon fiber front splitter from my 2022 Camaro LT1. Now, I already have this gloss black splitter for my Camaro, but I just think this carbon fiber is going to look so much better with the car. And that's because I've been adding a bunch of carbon fiber to my car recently. I just put this carbon fiber hood vent on my car, a carbon fiber steering wheel, and these carbon fiber winglets for the ZL1 wing. But let's not waste any more time and get this front splitter on the car. All I have to do is go ahead and jack up the car, take that splitter off, and install this one. Should be pretty simple. Now, when you jack a Camaro up, there's a certain way you have to do it. There's a pinch weld here and a pinch weld right here. This one, you want to put the jack on, and that one up here, you're going to put your jack stand on. Now, when doing this, you don't have to jack the car up too high off the ground. You just have to have it high enough. That way you can get under here and reach. Now that we're under the car, there's a bunch of 7mm bolts that have to come off. That way the splitter can be removed. And just like that, all of those bolts are now removed and this front splitter is now off the car. Now we can finally go ahead and install this carbon fiber front splitter from Extreme Online Store. Before I go ahead and put the carbon fiber splitter on the car, I just want to say I really like how this splitter is just one piece opposed to this one, which is 3 pieces. Now to install this splitter, all we have to do is just take the 7mm bolts we just disconnected and put them through these pre-drilled holes. All of the bolts are now secure and the lip is on, so let's go ahead and lower the car down. Check this thing out, guys. This looks so good on my car. Like when you look at the front end and just see this carbon fiber splitter with that hood vent, it just looks so menacing. I also like how this splitter is a lot sturdier than the other one I had. Also, unlike that other splitter I had, there is no gap on this thing at all. Here's the other side for the people wondering, no gap at all. Also, while we're down here, just look at that carbon fiber weave. There's just something about carbon fiber. It just looks so good. I would also like to give a huge shout out to Extreme Online Store. They've been coming in serious clutch recently with all these car parts. They make a ton of stuff for Camaros like the ZL1 wing, the side skirts. They also make these carbon fiber mirror caps for Camaros. But it's not just for Camaros, they also make stuff for Chargers and Mustangs and Vets. If you guys want to check out anything from them, I'll have their website linked down below. But I am really happy with how this front splitter ended up turning out. It looks so good. And the install was super, super easy. It didn't even take 10 minutes. Even if you have no mechanical knowledge whatsoever, it's a super easy install. But I got a bunch more mods planned for this car in the future, so let me know down below what you guys think I should add to the car.